Hello class, in today's lecture we learn about survival model. Class, if you have done CM1, this chapter is already covered in your CM1 part. The terms like TPX, TQX, KX, TX. So we are learning about all those terms again. But the difference between the CM1 and CS2 part is in CM1 we are just studying about the life modeling only, where we are talking about the individual life. But survival model function is used for non-lives also. Like you can find, you can use the same concept to find the life of a bulb, say insects, animals. So we are using the concept we have learned in CM1 in a wider aspect. Fine. So let's go through with the terms which we have learned in CM1 also. So class X is known as individual present age. The age at which the person is taking the policy class. Then class LX, this is number of lives alive at age X years. X years की कितनी लाइफ alive हैं class, that is denoted by LX. Let us suppose if I say L40 is equal to 1000. What is the meaning of this? कि लाइफ एज 40 की 1000 लाइफ्स अलाइव हैं, लाइफ्स अलाइव. फाइन क्लास. Then we have dx, that is number of lives died between x to x plus 1 year. कि x और x plus 1 के बीच में कितनी लाइफ्स डाई की, that is given by class dx. So class, if L40 is 1000 and L41 is 990, what is my D40? So class, what is the meaning of this? कि 40 years की 1000 lives थी, by 41 it remain as 990. That means in between 40 to 41 there are 10 lives die. So it is L40 minus L41, which is 10 class. So in short, you can say dx is equivalent to Lx minus Lx plus 1. Fine class. Then class, we have a notation TPX. Now what is the TPX class? This is probability of life age X survive at least T years. कि क्या चांसेस हैं कि एक लाइफ एज एक्स है वो नेक्स्ट टी इयर्स तक सरवाइव करेगी. फाइन क्लास. लेट अस सपोज इफ आई राइट 5p40, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस क्लास? कि क्या चांसेस हैं कि करेंटली एक लाइफ एज 40 है वो 45 तक सरवाइव करेगी. फाइन. And class, the formula for TPX, it is given by number of people alive at age x plus t divided by number of people alive at age x. Fine. So you have already seen this in CM1. अगर आपने CM1 नहीं भी किया तब भी कोई टेंशन लेने की बात नहीं है क्लास. You will able to understand these terms here. So if आई हैव टू फाइंड दिस बाय डिफॉल्ट। अगर कुछ भी नहीं लिखा इसका मतलब क्लास क्या है, 1। So what is the meaning of this? This means probability of life age 40 survive at least 1 year. Fine class. So how to calculate the probability of this? So number of people alive at age 41 divided by number of people alive at age 40. So class, out of these 1,000 people, 990 are surviving till 41. So this is 990 divided by 1,000. Fine class. So we get 0.99. Fine. Now class, similarly, the next term is TQX. Now class, what is TQX? This is probability of life age X will die between X to X plus T year. प्लस TPX की जब मैंने बात की थी, दैट इज अ सर्वाइवल टाइम। TQX इज योर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ डेथ, कि क्या चांसेस हैं कि लाइफ X और X प्लस T के बीच में डाई कर जाएगा। फाइन क्लास, एनी प्रॉब्लम? सो इफ आई राइट 5Q40, इसका मतलब क्या है क्लास? दिस मीन्स द प्रोबेबिलिटी of life age 40 will die between 40 to 45 years. फाइन क्लास। नो क्लास, जब हमने CS1 पढ़ा, हमने एक बहुत बेसिक कंसेप्ट पढ़ा, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अकरेंस प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ नॉन अकरेंस, दिस इज इक्वलेंट टू 1, राइट? तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ डेथ एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सर्वाइवल, दिस मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 1। दैट मीन्स class, TQX is equivalent to 1 minus TPX, right? So this is 1 minus LX plus T divided by LX, which is LX minus whole divided by X. Fine class, any problem? Class, next concept is principle of consistency. Now, what is the principle of consistency says? Class, अगर हमें निकालना हो कि एक लाइफ एज 40 है और क्या चांसेस हैं वो 50 तक सरवाइव करेगी, वैसे मुझे 10p40 निकालना है। फाइन। अब क्लास, कंसर्न ये है कि 40 से लेकर 44 तक की जो मोर्टेलिटी है वो डिफरेंट है, और 44 से जो 50 है वो मोर्टेलिटी डिफरेंट है। डिफरेंट बोले तो ऑब्वियसली विद टाइम द मोर्टेलिटी विल चेंज। तो 40 से 44 डेथ रेट सपोज ज्यादा है, 44 से 50 का डेथ रेट कम है। तो क्लास, ऑब्वियसली आई कांट डायरेक्टली राइट दिस एज L50 डिवाइडेड बाय L40, राइट? तो इस सिनेरियो के अंदर क्लास, वी विल ब्रेक दिस। फर्स्ट वी फाइंड क्या चांसेस है एक लाइफ एज 40 विल सर्वाइव टिल 44, सो 10p40 को हम ब्रेक करें, कितने साल है क्लास? 4 years, और करंट एज क्या है? 40. फाइन. Now the current age is 44. How many more years class? 50 minus 44. This is 6 years. And we need this and this. तो दोनों के बीच में क्लास साइन क्या आएगा? Multiply. Fine class? Any problem? Similarly class, if I have say 5p32, so 3p32 into what? तो क्लास इसके लिए नंबर लाइन बनाइए, क्या आएगा? करेंटली लाइफ की एज क्या है? 32. Survive for next 5 years, that means survive till 37, right? What is the meaning of this? क्या chances है currently life age 32, survive next 3 years, that means 35. So what is the gap? So 2 years gap है और currently age क्या है? 35. So class we get 2p32. Clear? तो क्लास इसमें एक नोट करने वाली जो चीज वो ये है, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी does not hold for TQX. क्लास प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी TQX के लिए होल्ड नहीं करता. क्यों? अगर क्लास मैंने लिखा 10Q40 निकालना है, दिस इज इक्वल टू 4Q40 इंटू 6Q44. सो क्लास डोंट यू थिंक अगर एक लाइफ इस पीरियड के अंदर डाई कर गई, कैन दैट लाइफ डाई अगेन? दैट लाइफ कांट डाई अगेन. तो इसीलिए क्लास ये होल्ड नहीं करता. रिमेंबर दिस. To apply the principle of consistency in TQX, always remember, first convert into TPX. Now apply the principle of consistency here. KPX. So this is what? X to X plus T years. Right class? So if I have written KPX, that is X to X plus K. So the current age is what? X plus K. And how many years? X plus T minus X plus K. So x plus t minus x plus k. So we get t minus k. So class, number line is very important when you are applying a principle of consistency. Fine. Any problem class? Now class, next topic is measurement of future lifetime of an individual. तो क्लास अगर आप फ्यूचर लाइफ टाइम की बात करें कि हमें आज की डेट में पर्सन की करंट एज पता है एक्स है, कि कितने साल और जिंदा रहेगा हमें ये निकालना है. हाउ मेनी इयर्स द पर्सन विल अलाइव आफ्टर द एज एक्स. तो क्लास डोंट यू थिंक ये अपने आप में एक रैंडम वेरिएबल है? राइट क्लास? अब क्लास रैंडम वेरिएबल है, तो रैंडम वेरिएबल हमने CS1 में देखा है. देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ रैंडम वेरिएबल. वन इज डिस्क्रीट, अदर इज कंटिन्यूस. तो discrete random variable and other is continuous random variable. राइट क्लास? सो सिमिलरली क्लास, जो आपका फ्यूचर लाइफ टाइम है उसको भी हमने दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है. डिस्क्रीट रैंडम वेरिएबल इज नोन एज कर्टेट फ्यूचर लाइफ टाइम random variable. Future lifetime random variable. And class, random variable is denoted by capital letter only, so we denote this by kx. Fine. Similarly class, continuous random variable, it is known as complete future lifetime random variable. Fine. And class, this is denoted by tx. Clear? So let's study one by one both random variable kx and tx. Now class, first let's study kx. Now what is kx class? It measure complete number of years a life survive after age x years. कि एक लाइफ एज x कितने कंप्लीट इयर्स x के बाद सरवाइव करेगी. तो एग्जांपल क्लास, लेट अस सपोज एक लाइफ एज 40 है. फाइन. नाउ दिस लाइफ एज 40 is died at 40.5 years. तो क्लास, how many years a life age 40, how many complete number of years a life age 40 survive after age x? तो इसने कोई ईयर तो कंप्लीट ही नहीं किया ना क्लास. 41 पर आकर एक साल कंप्लीट होता, तो यहां पर नंबर ऑफ इयर्स कंप्लीटेड इट वाज 0. If this life died at 41.5 years, how many years the person has survived after age x? So he has completed 1 year. Fine. If the life died at 42.25 class, how many complete years life survive? It survived 2 years. And so on till infinity. Infinity class इसीलिए क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता वो लाइफ कितने और साल जिंदा रहेगी. So that is one of the reason class kx is discrete random variable, because it can take a countable values. Fine class? Any problem? Now class, let's find the probability of this. Now class, if I say probability of kx equal to 0, what is the meaning of this? Class, this means life age x will die within the first year. Ki life age x survive 0 years. So this is what? This is probability of life age x die between x to x plus 1 year. Right? So what is the probability of a life age x die between x to x plus 1? So class, this is denoted by qx. Fine class? So what is probability of kx equal to 1? This means a life age x survive 1 year and die between x plus 1 to x plus 2 years. Right class? So surviving 1 year means what? 1 px, and die between this, it is qx plus 1. Fine. So what do you write? We write this as probability of life age x die between x plus 1 to x plus 2 years. Fine. Now class, pause the video and write in words what is the meaning of this. Make a number line and write the formula also. Fine. So class, number line पे अगर हम बात करें, this means a life age x survive next 2 years and die between x plus 2 to x plus 3 year, right? So this is probability of life age x die between x plus 2 to x plus 3 years, right class? So what is the formula for this? This is 2px qx plus, fine, and so on. What is probability of kx equal to k class? So if we make a number line, life age x survive next k years, right class, and die between x plus k to x plus k plus 1. So this is probability of life age x die between x plus k to x plus k plus 1 year. Fine class. And this is equivalent to what? kpx into qx plus k. Fine class. Any problem? Next is class, what do you mean by this? Class, this means probability of life age x survive less than k years. तो क्लास, इसको अगर हम अदर वे इंटरप्रेट करें कि लाइफ एज एक्स सर्वाइव लेस देन के इयर्स, दैट मींस लाइफ डाई विद इन के इयर्स. And what are the chances of dying between x to x plus k? We denote this by kqx. Fine class. And similarly, if I say this is probability of surviving at least k years. So mathematically, can I say this is kx less than k? Right class? So this is 1 minus kqx, which is kp. Fine class? Any problem? Class, next is expectation of kx. See class, derivation of this is one of the most important topic from this chapter. So it is a discrete random variable. The formula is summation k going from 0 to infinity, k into probability of kx equal to k. Right? Now expand it. It is 0 into probability of kx equal to 0 plus 1 into probability of kx equal to 1 plus 2 times and so on till infinity class. Right class? Now class 0 into anything is what? 0 only. We left with probability of kx equal to 1. Now class, this is 2 time probability of kx equal to 2. That means can I write this as probability of kx plus 2 2 times like this? Next is 3 time probability of kx equal to 3, which we can write probability of kx equal to 3 plus probability of kx equal to 3 plus probability of kx equal to 3. Right class? And so on. Right? Now class, अगर आप फर्स्ट लाइन को देखें, फर्स्ट रो को देखें, in place of this, can I write this as probability of kx greater than equal to 1? At least 1 की बात कर रहे हैं. What about this second row? Can I say in place of this probability of kx greater than equal to 2? Similarly, what about this? This is probability of kx greater than equal to 3 and so on class. So in short, my expectation of kx can be written as probability of kx greater than equal to 1 plus right class. Now class, this is what? Can I say this is 1px? We have already seen probability of kx greater than k is kpx. 1px, this is what? 2px plus and so on till infinity. So which is summation k going from 1 to infinity kpx. So this is my expected curtailed future lifetime random variable. In class, this is denoted by ex. Fine class, we have given E45 is this, E46 is this, find Q45. Class, please pause the video and try to solve this question yourself, then we will discuss. Fine? So class, E46 means what? We have this formula, which says summation k going from 1 to infinity kp46, right? So we can write this as 1p46 plus 2p46 plus 3p46 and so on till infinity, right? Similarly class E45 की अगर हम बात करें, that is equivalent to 1p45 plus 2p45 plus 3p45 and so on, right class? Plus, can I use the principle of consistency and break this? What is 2p45? Can I write this as 1p45 into 1p46? This is what? A life age 45, survive till 47. तो हमने प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी लगा दिया. 3p45 को भी हम ब्रेक कर सकते हैं 1p45 and 2p46. This means what? A life age 45 will survive till 48. this and this and so on. So class, in short, E45 can be written as P45 plus P45, 1P46 plus 2P46 plus 3P46 and so on. Right class? That means E45 is equivalent to P45 plus this complete thing can be replaced by E46 plus we find the value of P45, and once you find P45 we know how to find Q45. Right class? Any problem? And class, with this result you can write down one formula also. We can say Ex is Px 1 plus Ex plus 1. So remember this formula class. Fine. Class, next is a complete future lifetime random variable. This is denoted by Tx. And what does this means? This measure exact number of years including fraction a life survive after age X. So class, since it is including fraction, so Tx can take value T, which can take any value from 0 to infinity class. Fine. Like example, if I say a life age 40 died at 50.16 years, so what is my T40 equivalent to? It is 10.16 years. फाइन. और क्लास अगर इसी से मुझे k की वैल्यू निकालनी होती तो व्हाट इज माय k40? सो एग्जैक्ट नंबर ऑफ इयर्स इज व्हाट? 50. तो लाइफ सर्वाइव 10. So in short, you can say that kx is what? Greatest integer function of tx. And this is the notation for greatest integer function. Okay, remove the decimal part of that fraction. Fine class. Any problem? Now class, since it is a continuous distribution, so first we need CDF capital FXT, which is what? Equivalent to probability of Tx less than equal to T, right? So this means what? A life age X survive less than T years. लेस देन टी ईयर्स सर्वाइव करेगा, इसका मतलब x और x प्लस टी के बीच में क्या कर जाएगा? लाइफ डाई कर जाएगा. एंड दैट इज इक्वलेंट टू व्हाट? टी क्यू एक्स क्लास. फाइन. सिमिलरली क्लास एस एक्स टी is equivalent to probability of tx greater than t. S stand for survival function also class. So a life age x survive more than t years, that is what? tpx. और आप ग्रेटर लिखें या ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू लिखें, एक ही बात है. कंटिन्यूअस के अंदर देयर इज नो डिफरेंस. सो एटलीस्ट टी इयर्स का मतलब भी सेम है क्लास. फाइन. तो क्लास इसी से एसोसिएटेड एक और नोटेशन दे हैव, दैट इज एफ टी एंड एस टी. अगर क्लास यहां x नहीं लिखा, दैट मीन्स दिस इज फॉर न्यू बॉर्न बेबी. So this is probability of t less than t, which is tq0. न्यूबॉर्न बेबी है तो x क्या हो जाएगा क्लास? 0. एंड व्हाट इज st? दिस इज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ t ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू t. दिस इज tp0. तो दिस इज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ न्यूबॉर्न बेबी die within next t years. And what about this? This is probability of newborn baby survive at least t year. Fine class. So please write the meaning of this in words. Class, what is the meaning of this? This is probability of life age 40 will die within next 20 years. Fine. And what is this? This is probability of newborn baby will survive at least 50 years. Fine class. Now class, let's find the relation between fxt and ft. So capital fxt is what? Probability of tx less than equal to t. This means what class? A life age x will die between x to x plus t. Now class, I have to relate this with the newborn baby. The newborn baby is x equal to 0. Now class, हमें ये पता है कि ये न्यूबॉर्न बेबी यहां तक जिंदा है. दिस इज नोन टू मी. बट दिस न्यूबॉर्न बेबी विल डाई बिफोर दिस. राइट. तो क्लास हमने एक रिलेशन किया था कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी में. व्हाट इज द कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी? दैट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अकरेंस ऑफ ए such that b is already occurred. Right. Now सेम लॉजिक वी आर यूजिंग हेयर क्लास. हमें मालूम है न्यूबॉर्न बेबी इज सर्वाइव टिल एक्स and the survival function for newborn baby is your st. This means my t is greater than equal to x. This newborn baby is surviving till x, but this newborn baby is dying before this time, so this is t less than equal to x plus t. So class, that means my fxt can be written as this. राइट. तो क्लास कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी का फॉर्मूला हमने किया था प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी डिवाइडेड बाय प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी. रिमेंबर. सो क्लास इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन करना है. x से बड़ा होना चाहिए और x प्लस टी से छोटा होना चाहिए. इंटरसेक्शन पार्ट इज व्हाट? माय t lie between x to x plus t divided by probability of t greater than x. Right class? Now class, we can write this as probability of t less than x plus t less than x whole divided by 1 minus probability of t less than equal to x. Right class? So if we compare this, what do you get? This is capital F x plus t minus capital Fx whole divided by 1 minus capital Fx. Or you can write that this complete thing as Sx also. Or one and the same thing class. Fine. So this is the important derivation class which we will use in further results. Fine. Class, next topic is force of mortality or transition rate. What is said to be a transition rate? If you remember in CM1 we have studied, if you are a person is healthy or alive and next moment he will die, the rate of transition, it is also given by the force of mortality mu x. So class, notation of force of mortality is mu x and its definition is annual rate of dying per person alive at age x years. Fine. And class, if I say my mu x, formula is what? It's limit h tends to 0, h q x divided by h. This is the formula of class force of mortality. Class कहाँ से आया, क्यों आया? That is not the part of your curriculum. You must remember the formula of this. Fine. Class, इस formula को अगर हम देखें, we have already seen hqx can be written as what? Probability of tx less than h by h. We have seen probability of tx less than t. This is probability of tx less than t, and this is tqx, right? So in place of hqx, we can write what? Probability of tx less than h. Now class, we have just seen the relation of conditional and unconditional. So we can write this as what? T less than x plus t greater than t divided by t greater than equal to x. So remember this complete extended formula of force of mortality mu x. Fine class. Now class, if I say my mu x is say 0.01 and I say at age x there are 100 people or 1000 people alive. So within next 1 year we expect 1000 into 0.01, that is 10 deaths. Fine class. Any problem? Class, we have already derived the CDF and the relation between, sorry, this is FXT, the relation between FXT and FT. Now class, using these two, we have to derive the PDF of the complete future lifetime random variable. So let's derive. It's an important derivation again class. So क्लास, हमने देखा है CS1 में the relation between PDF and CDF. The PDF is equal to derivative of CDF. Right class? Now apply the first principal definition of derivative which says limit h tends to 0, capital Fx t plus h minus, we can write this, right class? Now class, use this definition of CDF. So what do you get? It is limit h tends to 0. If we apply that, we get capital Fx t plus h minus Fx divided by Sx minus, if in place of this we apply, it is Fx plus t minus Fx divided by Sx whole divided by h. Right class? When you simplify this class, these two terms will get cancelled, right? So what we get? We get Fxt it is equivalent to what? Limit h tends to 0, 1 by h it is capital Fx plus t plus h minus Fx plus t divided by Sx, right क्लास? अब क्लास अगर आप इस फॉर्मूले में देखें, जो आपका न्यूमरेटर में पार्ट था वही डिनोमिनेटर में आ रहा है ब्रैकेट में, बट यहां पर ऐसा नहीं है, यहां पर x प्लस टी है, यहां पर x आ रहा है। तो क्लास इसको उस फॉर्म में लिखने के लिए हमने क्या किया, एस एक्स प्लस टी से मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड कर दिया और एस एक्स को कॉमन निकाल दिया। सो व्हाट वी गेट, लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0, एफ एक्स प्लस टी प्लस h minus capital Fx plus t whole divided by Sx plus t. Right class? Any problem? Now class, what is the meaning of this? This means a newborn baby will survive till x, that is the meaning of denominator, and numerator means a newborn baby will survive till x plus t. Right? Class, principle of consistency हमने किया था, we can write Sx plus t is equivalent to what? Sx, and this is what? Sxt. अगर मैं इसको वर्ड में लिखूं तो इट इज x प्लस टी पी जीरो इज इक्वल टू एक्स पी जीरो एंड टी पी एक्स, राइट क्लास? सो एस एक्स प्लस टी डिवाइडेड बाय एस एक्स is equivalent to sxt which is tpx, right class? So in place of this we get tpx, right? And class in place of this, sorry 1 by h भी आएगा साथ में, this 1 by h as it is. In place of this class, अगर आप देखें यहां x प्लस टी था तो यहां पर x था, यहां t था, राइट? ये x है यहां पर, तो ये x जो रिमेनिंग बचा वो ब्रैकेट में। अब क्लास यहां पर क्या आ रहा है, x प्लस टी, सो वी गेट लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0, कैपिटल f x प्लस टी h divided by h, right? Now this can be written as what? Tpx limit h tends to 0, hqx plus t divided by h, right class? Class, we have just seen the definition of mu x plus t. अभी हमने डेफिनेशन देखी क्लास, लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0, hqx divided by h, this is mu x, right? In place of x we have what? X plus t. So we get class what? Tpx mu x plus t. And this is what we have to derive. Fine class. So it's an important derivation class जो आपको याद रखनी है. Fine. Now class, another very important derivation. हमने ऑलरेडी टीपीएक्स का फॉर्मूला देखा इन टर्म्स ऑफ एलएक्स. तो क्लास हमने CM1 में बहुत यूज किया है, बट हम CS2 में कहीं यूज नहीं करेंगे इस फॉर्मूले को. CS2 में मोर ऑफ वी आर यूजिंग दिस वन. फाइन. तो इसका डेरिवेशन इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अगेन. सो लेट्स सी द डेरिवेशन. तो क्लास अगेन पीडीएफ और सीडीएफ का रिलेशन अभी हमने देखा. तो PDF is derivative of your CDF, right? Now CDF is class, it is equivalent to TQX, right? And TQX can be written as what? 1 minus TPX. Now class, my FXT अभी हमने derive किया, this is equivalent to TPX mu x plus t, right? Class, derivative of 1 is 0, so we left with minus d by dt of TPX, right? Now class, this mu x plus t can be written as what? Minus, हम इसको TPX को दूसरी साइड ले आते हैं, right class? Now this can be written as class d by dt of log TPX. क्लास log TPX का डेरिवेटिव लेंगे तो 1 by TPX, चेन रूल के अकॉर्डिंग d by dt of TPX, राइट? ना क्लास टेक अ इंटीग, अच्छा माइनस भी आएगा क्लास. टेक अ इंटीग्रेशन ऑन बोथ साइड, माइनस 0 to t mu x plus t dt. Integration and derivative will get cancelled. We left with log TPX. फाइन क्लास. क्लास हमें एक चीज मालूम है, log बेस a b इज इक्वल टू अगर c है, दैट मीन a to power c is equivalent to b. So if you apply that thing, so we get class TPX is e to power minus 0 to t mu x plus t dt. This is what we have to derive. Fine class. Now class, if mu x plus t is constant, then your TPX is equivalent to e to power minus mu t. There is no need to integrate this. Now class, constant का मतलब क्या है? It means independent of time and age. Fine. Now class, next result is derive expectation of Tx. Another important derivation class. So what is my expectation of Tx class? It's a continuous random variable, so integration t into fxt dt, and t is varying from what? 0 to infinity class, right? We have already derived fxt, the PDF. It is tpx into mu x plus t dt. अब प्लस यहां पर इंटीग्रेशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टी है और टी यहां पर सबस्क्रिप्ट में है, तो इसको हम बेटर वे है, वी कैन राइट दिस ऑल्सो. नाउ फ्रॉम 1 we can write 0 to infinity t minus d by dt of tpx dt. Can I write class? Now apply by parts, first function, second function. Now first function as it is, plus integration of second minus plus derivative of first is 1 and integration of second is minus tpx minus minus plus, right class? When you put infinity px, can any life survive for infinite year class? No. Everyone has to die. That means probability is 0. 0 into anything is 0. When you put 0, 0 into anything is 0. So this is 0 plus tpx dt. And class, this is denoted by E naught x. Fine. So this is my expectation of tx class. Clear? Class, next is a relation between Ex and E naught x. So Ex is your expectation of kx and E naught x is expected value of tx. Right class? Now class, tx minus kx, let us suppose it is equivalent to jx, right? तो क्लास, जो ये jx है ये भी अपने आप में एक रैंडम वेरिएबल है, because tx and kx are random variable, so difference between the two is also a random variable. And class, इस jx की जो वैल्यू है it lie between 0 to 1. Why? Because हमने पहले ही पढ़ा tx का greatest integer function is kx. So the only fraction part is what? The difference between the two is the fraction part, and the fraction part is in between 0 to 1 always. Now class, take a expectation on both sides. Right? The class, expectation of tx is E naught x minus expected value of kx is ex. The class, let's say jx take uniformly any value from 0 to 1. और class, uniformly वो कोई भी value ले सकता है, तो it is approximately expectation of jx is equivalent to half, because that is alpha plus beta divided by 2, that is mean, right? So in short, you can say that E naught x is half plus ex. So this is the relation between the two. Fine class. So please class, revise the concept of, we have learned in this video. In the next video, we will do the questions based on these topic. Fine.